So on my right we have the KZas06s. They had to add the 0, I don't know why. And then on the left we have the KZas10s. So the KZas06s cost $54 and the KZas10s cost $68. Now you could get these earphones for cheaper, but since LSR Direct did send these out to me, I am going with these prices. And as always, I will have links in the description below. Alright, so opening up both the boxes, you can see the earphones. We have again the AS6s on the right and the AS10s on the left. The shells are pretty much exactly the same except for the internals. So besides for the fact that these have 3 drivers, so the ones on my right, the KZas06s have 3 drivers in each earphone, making up a total of 6 drivers. On the KZas10s you have a total of 10 drivers, and that's 5 drivers in each earphone. So just a close-up, and you guys will see that these have that PCB plate inside, while the AS6s on my right have that metal plate with the 6 on there, and it says balanced armature. So speaking of balanced armature, both of these earphones only use balanced armature drivers. There are no dynamic drivers inside of these. So they're both an all BA pair. And again, the shells are practically the same, just a different internal design and a different amount of drivers as well. Alright. So both earphones come with almost the same identical looking cable. It's the braided cable, except for on the AS10 cable you have that bendable metal wire inside the ear hook, so wherever you bend the ear hook it'll stay into place, which honestly is not great for the fit. And then on the AS6 cable you have the preformed hooks where they just go back into place. And honestly, the AS6 ear hooks are a lot better when it comes to the fit. They actually improve the fit of the earphones when they're in your ears, as opposed to the bendable metal hooks, which have the opposite effect. So let me now go ahead and compare the sound on both of these earphones. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'll be using my M7 Fiio DAP, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm now back. I took a listen to both of these earphones, and here are my thoughts on them. So first of all, the sub bass is louder on the AS6s. This could just be though because the AS10s have almost double the amount of drivers, so they do need, or they might need, more power in order to drive them. So again, you have 10 drivers on these as opposed to this in total 6 drivers on the AS6s. But anyway, let's just keep it at the AS6s produce more sub bass. It also seems like the bass is a little bit more punchier as well on the AS6s. Again, this could be because there are more drivers on the AS10s, and that could possibly require more power, which they're not necessarily getting enough with this portable DAP that I have here, the Fiio M7. Now for the mids and the soundstage, it is better on the KZas06s. The AS10s sound choked when compared to the AS6s, and the AS6s have better instrument separation and more detailed highs. But also the AS6s are a little bit brighter than the AS10s, so these are brighter than the AS10s, and with that you do get a little bit of sibilance. So you'll get a minimal amount of sibilance on the AS6s as opposed to the also minimal amount you'll get with these AS10s. It's not very noticeable. It's more noticeable on these ones right here. So regardless of all that though, as I hear them at this moment with my equipment, so with the Fiio M7 DAP, I'm going to have to give my pick to the AS6s. Because number one, they sound better to me. Number two, they're a few dollars cheaper. And number three, they look cooler as well with the metal plate. And then lastly, four, the included preformed memory earhook cable make the AS6s a lot more secure in my ears when compared to the metal bendable earhook cable that you get with the AS10s. So that's my pick. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this comparison. If you did, then please do leave a like. It does help me out a lot. For now, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next review. Later.